Welcome to Connolly Cove. Join us on an unforgettable weekend trip through the picturesque landscapes of Switzerland. Today, we'll explore the historical treasures of Sion, savor the charm of Gruyère, indulge in the delights of the oldest chocolate factory in Switzerland, and meet the iconic St. Bernard dogs. Let's dive in. Our journey begins in the heart of the Valais region in the historical city of Sion. This charming town is renowned for its rich history and stunning views. Dominating the skyline are the majestic castles of Tourbillon and Valère. Tourbillon Castle, perched high on a hill, offers panoramic views of the Rhône Valley. It's a steep hike up, but the vistas are well worth the effort. On the opposite hill, Valère Basilica is home to one of the world's oldest playable organs, dating back to the 15th century. Down in the city centre, the vibrant Sion Farmers Market is a must-visit. Held every Friday, it's the perfect place to sample local produce, from fresh fruits and vegetables to artisanal cheeses and wines. The market is not just a feast for the taste buds, but also a cultural experience, where you can mingle with friendly locals. Next, we head to the quaint medieval town of Gruyère. Nestled in the foothills of the Alps, Gruyère is famous for its namesake cheese. Wandering through its cobbled streets feels like stepping back in time. At the heart of the town is Gruyère's Castle, a beautifully preserved fortress that offers a glimpse into the region's storied past. Don't forget to visit the H.R. Giger Museum, dedicated to the surrealist artist known for his work on the film Alien. For a sweet treat, we continue to Brock, home to the Gruyère chocolate factory. Established in 1819, Gruyère is Switzerland's oldest chocolate brand. Here, you can take a fascinating tour through the history of chocolate, watch the intricate process of chocolate making, and of course indulge in plenty of delicious samples. It's a paradise for any chocolate lover. Our final stop takes us to Barryland in Martigny, dedicated to the heroic St. Bernard dogs. These gentle giants have been rescuing travelers in the Alps for centuries, and here you can learn about their incredible history. Barryland is not just a museum, but also a home to many St. Bernards. Visitors can interact with these friendly dogs, watch training sessions, and even see them in action during special demonstrations. From historical sites and charming towns to sweet treats and heroic hounds, Switzerland offers a diverse and enriching experience for every traveller. Thanks for joining us on this weekend adventure.